Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Growwise Lifewise. In life we all have dreams. We all want to do some things in life. We want to achieve something and we really want to achieve it. It's a very deeply strongly rooted desire that yes, I want to achieve this. I want to achieve that. But sometimes it so happens that we get busy in our day to day lives and we hardly figure out time for our dreams. Has this ever happened to you? If so, then you are on the right channel. To know how you can fulfill your dreams, please to watch this video till the end. Congratulations to all of you who have taken the step before the very first step, that is the 0th step, that is seeing dreams. Because if you don't see dreams, then you cannot fulfill your dreams. Because you don't know what you want to do, how can you do that? It's as simple as that. Now, you definitely want to do something in your life for sure if you are seeing dreams. But there are many obstacles because of which you are not able to fulfill your dreams. Okay, so today I will tell you how you can fulfill your dreams. To do so, the very first step that I would like you to take after seeing dreams, of course, is the very first thing that I would suggest you is you list down your dreams. Yes, you heard it right. List down your dreams. The next thing you're gonna do is make sure that you keep that list in such a place that you are going to see it daily. Because by doing so, you will be reminding yourself that yes, I want to do this. I want to do this. I really want to do this. Next thing that you are going to do is plan out how you are going to accomplish your goals. Just figure it out that how you can achieve what you want to achieve, and the most important thing here is start executing. Okay. So, for many of us, there is a grave problem here, that is to start. Why? Because maybe your family didn't approve it, or the best friends on whom you rely a lot didn't approve it, or there could be many reasons. So, first you find out those reasons and try to figure it out. You can always look up for advices and suggestions whenever required. Find out what's stopping you from taking the very first step from achieving what you want to achieve. Once you find out, you can try to solve it for yourself. If not, you can look up to your friends or peers and always take up the necessary advices and suggestions whenever required. The main problem that lies in starting anything is the belief that yes, I can, I definitely can. Often you don't get approval from your immediate family or your best friends on whom you rely so much. And this is where comes the difficult part, because nobody in your family probably believes that yes, you want to do this. You either think of dropping off the idea, or you are just demotivated and very disappointed that how can I do if no one is believing it. But that should not stop you from doing what you want to do, because it is what you really wanted to do. This is more common especially for students, because your parents want you to do something and become something in life. In such cases, I would kindly request you to please listen to your immediate family or friends, whoever is not approving your ideas, and try to understand exactly why they are not approving. There could be some genuine reasons too. So please, it's a humble request that you think out whatever reasons they are telling you. Please think out thoroughly in a peaceful state of mind. After doing this, if you still think that yes, you want to pursue your dreams, and yes, you can definitely do it, and you don't want to stop because that is exactly what you want, then please don't stop yourself. Just go for it. Just go for it, follow your dreams, pursue them, and get success. Success will surely come if you really want to do, and you are executing, you are taking the first step, and you are not stopping yourself. And once you start, there should be no looking back, no matter what. Just keep moving ahead. And it will also happen that many times while you are moving ahead, there would be instances, there would be days where you will feel like giving up because nothing is working out as you would have thought earlier. This is also absolutely fine. But if you are thinking of giving up on those moments, then please remember, why in the first instance did you start this? Where far have you come so far? Do you think you really want to stop it now that you have come this far? No, a definitely big no. Because once you remind yourself that why you started, I'm sure you will definitely get that self motivation to go ahead. Please remember, Swami Vivekananda has rightly said that awake, arise, and stop not till your goal is achieved. I'll repeat this once more. Awake, arise, and stop not till your goal is achieved. So, what are you waiting for? Go and start following your dreams this moment onwards. Take the first step and rest shall follow. Just start, because taking the first step is very difficult for us. But once you do that, I'm sure you will go further and further and further, and there are no limits. To watch more of such videos, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get my latest videos, and also like and share it with your friends. By doing so, you are also helping your friends and family to motivate themselves to follow their dreams. This is Kevnasha signing off. Until my next video, thank you. Stay motivated, stay happy, and follow your dreams.